Today I am at brunch on the Carnival Cruise ship. Okay, so the first thing I have is this is fried chicken and waffles. Look at that. I also have some bacon and then also turkey bacon. But look what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna pour some honey on my fried chicken. Yum. And then I have some Tabasco sauce here as a little kick. So that's my first thing. Secondly, I have steak and eggs. And this time my eggs were cooked perfectly and my steak just a little bit overdone, but that's good enough. And lastly, I have shrimp and grits. This shrimp has sausage, grits, yum. I'm at the brunch and it's just a smorgasbord of food. Okay. I also have one more thing, macaroni and cheese. I don't think I'm gonna eat this, but well, I'll tell you what. Let me taste it for you guys. This is the mac and cheese. That's good. That's really good, actually. But I have all of this to eat, so I'm probably gonna skip that. Yum. Let me cut into this chicken. This is so good. Don't forget to follow, like, and comment. Do you like brunch?